Is it time to buy or sell Plug Power stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Plug Power. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has categorized Plug Power as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.68. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month analysis suggests a potential decrease of approximately 35.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -48.96% and -11.05%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -29.65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -56.2% to 33.32% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 67 cents and $2.04. Our latest daily update for Plug Power includes the headline, Plug Power stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The Plug Power stock price experienced a decline of 3.77% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, falling from $1.59 to $1.53. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.61%, reaching a low of $1.52 and a high of $1.59. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total drop of 14.04% during this period. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 56 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $85.25 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $4.90, while the lowest price was $1.37. Currently, the price stands at 68.78%, or $3.37, below the 52-week high, and 97.97%, or $73.96, below the all-time high reached on January 26, 2021, when the price peaked at $75.49. Plug Power's stock has recently attracted increased attention as the company aims to solidify its position within the hydrogen economy. On the 19th of March, Plug announced an underwritten offering of $280 million, intended to strengthen its financial footing, which could drive profitability by the year 2025. Such a strategic move typically signals to investors that management is committed to long-term growth, potentially stabilizing the stock price in the short term. Notably, CEO Andy Marsh's choice to receive 50% of his salary in Plug Power stock demonstrates a strong personal commitment to the company's trajectory, likely bolstering investor confidence. Amid broader market fluctuations, Plug Power's recent stock price resilience, closing at $1.59 on the 20th of March, indicates it may maintain its ground better than some competitors. Historically, Plug Power has witnessed its stock soar to impressive heights, even reaching an all-time high of $1,498 back in the year 2000. While current pricing below $2 raises questions about its near-term recovery, the renewed interest from investors suggests potential for upside as market conditions stabilize. Short sellers continue to remain active, but positive news regarding strategic initiatives could lead to a short squeeze, positively impacting the stock price in the long term. The combination of strong leadership commitments, financial maneuvering, and market enthusiasm for hydrogen technologies positions Plug Power as a noteworthy player in the energy sector, making it one to watch for future developments. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Plug a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum gave Plug a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was also reported that Craig-Hallum assigned Plug a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital rated Plug as underperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned Plug a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Plug Power stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also issued a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Plug Power. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Plug Power stock is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, there will likely be resistance at the levels of $1.62 and $1.70. A breakthrough above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps reduce overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 2%. Continued growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflect a buy signal from 15 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average again indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 43 days ago. The interaction between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 30 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's delve into the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Plug Power. Plug Power experiences support from accumulated volume at $1.50. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with decent trading volume, the associated risk is categorized as medium. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 4.61%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Plug Power, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest insufficient profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 20 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Plug Power. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Plug Power is at $1.65. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Plug Power encounters its first support level at $1.50. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Plug Power from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 2nd, 2025, Willis Gary K. conducted an insider purchase of 15,258 shares of common stock. On January 2nd, 2025, McNamee George C. conducted an insider purchase of 12,031 shares of common stock. On January 2nd, 2025, Matani Kavita conducted an insider purchase of 10,563 shares of common stock. On January 2nd, 2025, Canausis Gregory conducted an insider purchase of 9,243 shares of common stock. On January 2nd, 2025, Joggerst Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 9,390 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 83.022. Overall, insiders purchased 8,520,778 shares and sold 392,447 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $1.44, which reflects a decrease of 5.72%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Plug Power stock a good buy? Plug Power shows several positive signals. However, we still do not consider these sufficient for a recommendation to purchase. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate that Plug Power will open higher by approximately 1.67 cents, starting at a price of $1.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.